When people talk about winter prep for a Ford F-150, they usually mention snow tires, wiper blades, and maybe a bag of kitty litter for traction. Nobody ever mentions the humble engine block heater, which is basically the winter MVP for your truck. You ever notice how your F-150 just hates those below freezing morning starts? The starter drags, the engine sounds like it's full of molasses, and you feel a little guilty every time. That's your oil thickening up and begging for mercy. A block heater basically works like an electric blanket for your engine. You plug it in, it quietly warms up the coolant around the engine block, and next thing you know, your truck starts like it's summer, even when it's 10 degrees out. This is an underrated little gadget with massive impact value. Block heaters can reduce engine wear during cold starts by up to 50%, according to studies. That means potentially doubling your engine's lifespan if you're a winter driver. If you're just hearing about this, the pain point is pretty clear. Cold starts don't just sound rough, they actually are rough. When your oil is thick, it doesn't lubricate as well. That's why some people see engine damage years earlier than they expect. Step 1 is always check if your F-150 already came with a block heater. Crawl under the front bumper. If there's an obvious power cord sticking out, congrats, your truck's got one. If not, the dealer can add it for a couple $100. Actually, installing one isn't rocket science, but it's not for the faint of heart either. You're dealing with coolant, freeze plugs, and you need to get it done right because, well, coolant leaks are nobody's idea of a good Monday. Once it's installed, the how-to is even easier. Plug it into a heavy-duty outdoor extension cord, ideally a GFCI outlet. Most folks set the heater on a timer. 2 to 4 hours before your morning start is usually more than enough to do the trick. Pro tip, don't run it all night. That's just burning up your electric bill for no good reason. Studies show 3 to 4 hours is the sweet spot, plenty of warmth for most climates, without turning your garage into a Portland sauna. Major impact here. Your truck isn't just easier to start. You'll get heat from the vents way faster, which matters a whole heck of a lot when you're scraping frost in your driveway and your hands feel like popsicles. And let's talk fuel savings. A block-heated engine reaches optimal running temperature faster, which knocks down your idling time and cuts cold start emissions by up to 60%. That's not a small thing when you're dealing with those endless Pacific Northwest winters. If you're one of those folks who figures, I got synthetic oil, I'm fine, remember, even the best oil is a frozen sludge at 0 degrees. Block heaters and good oil are not either or. They're a team, and your engine wants both. If you've got an F-150 and your morning starts feel like you're wrestling a frozen bear, a block heater is your best friend. Small thing, big value, and it'll have your truck running smoother, longer, and warmer than you ever thought possible.